and welcome back. Thanks for coming back. Where are we? Well, we're dropping down from home and we're off to the workshop. Yes, Lady so sweet Caroline. Get your bottom on a memory foam pillow because of course the road service is a little bit, well, a little bit uncomfortable, shall we say, and pour a little bit of the old Nigel big guns for Lord Nigel himself. Sit back and relax. It's the Mr. Paul's Breakfast Club. Welcome to the crew. So, let's see if the girls are in town. Miss Nessie, how are you doing? You all right? Miss Vivian, how's the cakes coming along? And where are those, well, where's the little boys? Where are they? Those naughty, naughty lords. We've got Lord Simon and Lord Jeremy. Very quiet at the moment, sitting in the corner, playing on the mobile phones. There's plenty of deliveries to be made, boys. Come on, Alan is sitting there, and he's now going to get onto his treadmill. He's going to flick it on, get it up to 2 or 3 miles an hour, and he's going to start walking the life out of us. And of course, alongside him is Miss Sally Briers. Welcome to the crew, Miss Sally. She's on her pedal bike, and she's watching Marika and me on YouTube, thinking, "Oh my God, he's just said my name." Yeah, and a big shout out to your partner in crime, Mr. Matt Dyers. How are you, Matt? You all right? Coming out of Paphos, are you going to put a ring on that girl's finger? If not, we're going to have a word with you, that's for sure. And some big shout outs to some superstars that are helping the channel to survive, shall we say. We're going to take a left here, by the way. We'll take a bit of a wiggle and a waggle through Konya Village. That's where we are. And the road surface, just so you understand, it gets, well, it's from hell. If you thought downtown Paphos was bad, well, the roads around here are even worse. That little bit off the tourist track, shall we say. So, forgive all the creaks and noises coming from the suspension. Now, my little mate Kenny, he's sitting next to me. He's telling us which way to go, and he's thinking, I'm lost at the moment, aren't you, Kenny? But this is Kenya Village. Kenya? No, Konya Village. That's where we are. And it's a mix mash, I suppose, of old and new. So technically now we're in the older part. I think you understand that. And then now and again you come past some new villas that have been built. And the prices around here are quite expensive. And there's no doubt about that. You're not going to buy a lot in Konya Village for less than, say, 350, 400. And very quickly that bill can go up to $1 million plus. Some of the villas around here are, well, very, very nice indeed, shall we say. So, why is it so expensive? Well, it's very convenient for Paphos, isn't it? 4 minutes to Paphos centre. You're straight onto the bypass, the highway, the motorway, whichever you choose to call it. You're going to realise that very, very shortly. And of course, you can keep going to Limassol, Nicosia, Larnaca, etc. So it's a very, very good location, is the reason. And of course, a lot of these places to the right have got a spectacular view down towards the blue Mediterranean Sea. And I'm sure you can notice that the sky, well, that's blue. The sea, I promise you, when I looked out the window this morning, that was blue. I'm dressed head to toe in blue, so of course all that's actually missing is you. So get yourself on that big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, like Andrea and Mart. Yes, they're coming over very, very soon, and they'll be touching down, and we'll be Tchaikovsky dancing down the Kate of Paphos promenade. That is for sure. And while on the subject of Andrea and Mart, they've got their very own YouTube channel, by the way, and they are wiggling and waggling around the back lanes of Norfolk, and now and again they pop into Norwich, which I think is their capital city. And Mart's got great knowledge, and Andrea always makes me chuckle. So why not click through and have a look. Andrea and Mart, and hit the like, click subscribe, and give them a bit of encouragement. And talking about other YouTubers, well, there's 2 other superstars. She spends all of her mornings in the kitchen making your tea and making your coffee, and well, scones and all those kind of things. At the moment she's doing jam, well, toast first, obviously. She's doing some nice toast. You can have it well done or medium done, it's up to you. If your name's Ronnie the Viking, we don't know how you want it, but she's in charge of all that kind of thing. And there's some nice jam and marmalade and stuff. Look at that for a potto. Whoa, whoa, ouch. Anyway, so she's got a YouTube channel as well, her and her partner in crime. So if you pop in the search bar Nessie and Andy's Travels, up it comes. And they are, well, dancing around in the North Shropshire lanes, and even venturing over into North Wales, where I'm from, because Miss Nessie likes to practice her siarad Cymraeg, which is likes to practice her Welsh, basically. So anyway, it's nostar from me, and it's nostar from him, as they say. Right, where are we? Coming up to the Limassol, well, this is the Limassol Highway from Paphos anyway. So we're joining it now, and I'm pretty sure that sky is looking absolutely spectacular to you. I understand we had a couple of days of well, Sherlock Holmes weather, but now we're back to normal. And Dave, you know, I'm really, really sorry that you had a bad experience when you came to Cyprus for your week. The weather, yeah, it was Sherlock Holmes, that's for sure. But hopefully you don't hold that against Cyprus or ourselves. I mean, anyone who is watching, by the way, February in general is the worst month. And some people can be very, very unlucky and get a whole week of rain. But normally it doesn't go on for that long, if you understand me. And normally the temperatures are not too bad. Miss Dawn, Mr. Sean, Daisy the Cypriot cat, Bobo the dog. If you're wondering what the temperature is, it's 10 o'clock in the morning and it's 12 degrees. So I'm not going to say it's warm, but it's not too bad depending on where you're from. If you're up in Derbyshire, I would think that it's probably a little bit colder and a little bit damper than that. But as Nigel was saying, that's the one with a beautiful wife called Julie and Miss Maya. Apparently in Stockton in Yorkshire, the weather over the last couple of days has been better than ours. Well, there you go. And apparently that's true in Middlesbrough as well. So perhaps we'll get on a big bird and fly the wrong way, as we say. So anyway, we're heading down the bypass. Those of you who are familiar will know where we are. At the next exit, we're going to come off and, well, we're going to go and visit the body shop. Let's go and see what the boys are doing. I think Hassan, the manager, is there, and Marius was dancing around earlier on when I was there, that was for sure. I've sold him my rampant rabbits. For those of you who understand, that's the Fiat. The Fiat that had a bad engine and bad this and bad that. It sat there for around about 6 months while I pondered what to do with it, and I've decided to cut my losses, so he's bought it off me for a couple of thousand. So, well, there you go. It's not all fun and games in the car trading business, that's for sure. Lesson in car trading, that's a car that I bought for 2,500. Then I put a brand new engine in, it cost me 1,000 all in. Then brakes and a bits and bobs. Anyway, in the end it owed me about 4,000. Then the gearbox went, so that was going to cost me another 1,000. So I've got my losses and taken a couple of thousand off him. He's a happy man, and well, I'm not going to say I'm a happy man, but I'll go and put it into something else, and you never know, I might even persuade Gwyneth Walker, who's not driven a car in 74 years, but you never know, I might persuade her to, well, buy a car, you never know. Talking about people learning to drive, Miss Lubika, all the way from Slovakia, who now lives in the UK, Warwickshire, and she was saying it's a bit cold. Look at that for a pothole. But anyway, she's starting to learn to drive. So, Miss Lubika, good luck with that one. Big shout out to you. All the luck in the world, and I'm sure you will pass with flying colours, and I'm sure you'll be whizzing round the lanes of Warwickshire very soon indeed. And a big shout out to Anna Starr, all the way out there in Poland. Again, we hope the snow is not being too unkind to you. And a big shout out to Ian Crawford, the butcher, all the way out in Frodsham. And your beautiful partner in crime, Miss Beverly. A big hello to you. And hopefully we're beaming, the potholes on here are absolutely atrocious, but hopefully we are beaming some rays of sunshine onto your screens, and hopefully you are enjoying what you're seeing. There we are. That's a bit of car theft in progress there. There we are. That's Ibrahim. He hasn't got a clue what he's doing in the car, that's for sure. So we'll pull in here and we'll go for a dismount, and we will see what is going on. There's Grumpy Marios, as you can see. There he is. He's waving at us. And there's another grumpy man there, Mr. Hassan. Two of the grumpiest men in the world, by the way. But we mean that in the nicest way. And now we'll get a great big smile off him. Look at that. That's the Shishka boy over there. Let's go and have a word with him. You all right, Marios? You all right?
Good morning.
Yeah? How's your little Fiat? Good?
Yeah, very good.
He's got a big smile on his face. He's bought himself a cheap Fiat, that's for sure. Now, for this man, he's running away. That's the Shishka boy. There's the Shishka boy. There he is. Where's the Shishka pipe? Where's the pipe? It's finished. We'll have to buy you a new one for Christmas. We'll buy you a new one. We'll get him a new one. He looks depressed because he wants the Shishka pipe. There we are. What's going on here now? The brother and Hassan are in conversation. Ah, there we are. This is the car we just brought in. Let's go and show you what it is. There you go. Not too bad. Lady had a bit of a mishap, Mr. Hassan. So that bit and that bit. Can we do it over the next couple of days? Of course we can. Smile. You're on camera.
Always smile, you don't have time.
He hasn't got time to smile. Anyway, let's kind of a wiggle and a waggle, because I understand some people do like this part of the channel. You've got this car that's come in, and as you can see, it's had a bit of mishap. What's happened is that, well, something was dropped onto it apparently, and it's smashed his windscreen. So we're going to put a new windscreen into it for him, and there's a few scrapes and bangs all around it as well. You've got a Honda HRV that's coming over here, one of my favourite cars, as people understand, and the bumper's off it at the moment, as you can see, and we're going to repair that one. We've got this one, which is a tyre to bits. Again, the front bumper is off, and there's another one. So people like taking bumpers off cars. Anyway, let's get inside and have a look. Oh, by the way, if anyone wants to buy quite a nice Mercedes, that one is for sale. So if you make me an offer, in fact, he wants to buy it. Are you buying it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I need this one.
He wants to know
This
where
one,
that is.
I need.
Yeah.
It's broken, my
Oh, hold on.
Yeah.
Oh, this is broken.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's why you're buying it cheap.
Ah, okay.
That's why. There we are.
Okay.
Now we know why he's buying it cheap. Have a good man. We'll sell it to him cheap, we promise. Let's go have a look. That's a hire car that's come in, and I see there's a few bits and bobs we're doing on that one. That's an elderly gentleman's pickup, and then this is a car which is having its rear bumper sorted out. That was Ahmed walking past there, and there's a car in here. Let's go and have a look, which is probably going to be finished by now, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, there we are. This is a little pink angel that a lady caught on her gate post, all down this rear side here, and as you can see now, it is looking rather nice. She didn't manage to damage that door, but then she did manage to damage her front wing as well. And then while she was getting off the gate post, guess what? She then went and damaged this side as well. And there he is, the superstar known as Abdullah. And it's a bit cold. It's a little bit cold, if you understand me. Anyway, sunglasses back on, we're going out to the sunshine. So let's go and have a look, see what's going on. Hopefully you enjoy these kind of videos. If you do, drop it in the comments and let us know. And perhaps you might want some more in-depth. Now, if you remember that car, the bumper has arrived, but there is something wrong in the internals of the mechanics. So, well, it's going to be a little bit longer. Hold on, the gun barrel number 1 has arrived. What's it? Oh, there we are. There we are. So, brother's going to go and steal my car now. There he is. He's always cold, but he's got a great smile. He's always got a great smile. What are you doing today? Which car are you on today? You're on that one. There we are. So this is his baby today. So if you look very carefully along the bottom of the bumper, if your name is Sean Broad, you understand. You're sanding all of that down, and he's going to put a bit of filler on it, and then we're going to paint it a little bit later. Simple little job for a hire car company. We get an awful lot of hire cars in because we do deals. We jump into bed with different people. Anyway, come on, stealing my car. There we are. So I'm going to say thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, why not hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness. And there you go, that's Ibrahim. He's going to take that car in. He's got a great smile on his face again, and he's going to start working on that. There we are. So we always like to see a bunch of mechanics standing around doing absolutely nothing. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, come back for a little bit more of our madness. If you want to help the channel to grow, why not go through to our About page, where you could consider to buy us a coffee or two, and we promise to put it in the tank of that car and continue to drive around and take you on our little adventures. And there he is again. Ahlan wa sahlan. Yeah, superstar amongst superstars. It's getting warmer slowly. Slowly. There we are. He's off to steal another car. Thanks for watching.